So it's 8:08 a.m. What date is it? Hold on, let me have a look. On Saturday, 21st of October 2023, just on Ventnor East Cliffs on the Isle of Wight. Doing a bit of birding quickly through showers. And I've had two nice gangs of goldfinches in the last couple of minutes. Here's some siskins, I think. Hold on, going to go through the gap. Oh no, they're going to go over. Swirling mass. Goldfinches, actually. Excellent. So there's certainly some nice vismig going on. There's also a traffic warden. So I don't want to go too far. Let's go down here a bit on the cliff top. So this is classic late autumn weather. Murky and showery, and where's the wind coming from at the moment? Haven't a clue. I know it's easterlies on the east coast. I think it might be southeasterlies today. There's been a few yellow-browed warblers along the south coast yesterday. I think Portland and I think Bournemouth had one as well. Only had one this autumn, and that was earlier. That was a couple of weeks ago. What's that? Philosk. Two chiffchaffs set up there. One skittish robin. There's a crest up there. So that's, I don't know, I suppose it's as likely to be firecrest in this patch as goldcrest. Probably we've had more firecrest here than goldcrest, to be honest, over the years. That's actually, since that goldfinch flock, I've not seen any other migrants go over, so may not be that exciting this morning, but let's go and check round here anyway before the next downpour. It's very murky on the horizon. Set over there. I can hear some alba wags, two alba wags going over up there. May have heard them on the video, but the sea is quite loud because it's quite rough. What else that? Chaffinches, I believe. I think I heard a chaffinch call. There were certainly finches. Yeah, the sea is moderately rough. I can hear siskins. So I've had 3 chiffies so far. 3 chiffchaffs and 1 crest. Little group of goldfinches there. Oh, and another one. And another one. That was about 25 in total in those 3 little groups. 25 goldfinches. Tamarasks have stopped flowering now, unfortunately, so fewer bugs around, less food to draw the birds in. There's a few blackbirds around this morning. Right, let's go down the end very quickly because, like I say, there's a traffic warden knocking around, so, and I forgot to put a ticket on. Another chiffchaff number 4. quickly check the lawns for... Oh, there's the traffic warden. That white vehicle mid-screen is the traffic warden's car. And as I haven't stuck a ticket on yet, I better go back. Although he's over here rather than where I'm parked, so I might be okay. I will pay for parking. It's just I wanted to get out because there were migrants going through. Ooh. Goldfinches. Yeah, I'm just going to go up to the car park, see if I can see any more finch flocks go through. Then I'm going to go and get a coffee. A couple of alba wags going over, pied wagtails. Pied or white wagtails. Bit of chiff-chaff action over in the blackthorns and elders over there. Same ones I've already seen. Oh, look at that. Lovely and stormy. So yeah, not much else moving through, to be honest. A few little gangs of goldfinches mainly. This little gang over there. They're going to go over, or they're just swirling around looking for somewhere to land. Right. Where shall I go next, I wonder? Up there would be nice.